So guys, that's my college, Delhi College of Arts and Commerce. I am visiting here after 20 years. 20 years. 2005 I took admission here. Lot of memories. I wanted to show Zahra my graduation college. I did my graduation from this college before my post graduation. And 2005 we passed out from school and first college where I stepped in. And
as you were saying, there are so many changes in here.
Exactly. There are so many changes. I could not recognize the street here. This entire building, this entire section, they are making everything, new. Some government flats and all.
New.
And everything is new. Everything is new here except the building of my college, which still stands here after 20 years.
Wow.
Delhi College of Arts and Commerce. Right?
I have one question.
Okay, you want to ask some questions related to my college? Okay, what's that?
So I want to ask you that what was the most interesting thing? It can be thing or a person who attract you more in the university that you continue.
I know where you are going. I know where you are going. Attracting. So as such, I had lovely memories here. If you are talking about what was that thing, I would say, those days I used to be very much friendly with everybody. I think half of the college was my friend. I was, when I entered college, I was shaking hands with literally everybody, or Ramiz bhai, or this, hi friend, this, that. So I was saying hi, hello to everybody literally in that college. So I would say I made a lot of good friends here in the college. That is one thing. Another thing, it was like teenage and we had this passion. I explored the passion of dancing also here. Yes, so I was in the dance society of Delhi College of Arts and Commerce along with all our friends. I made my friends from the dance society also. So I'm gonna tag them in this video. So हुआ क्या यहाँ पे एक बड़ा ही इंटरेस्टिंग सा चीज़ यहाँ पे हुई. मैं कॉलेज दिखाने आया था ज़ाहरा को अपना DCSE कॉलेज. हुआ क्या, हम जैसे यहाँ पे पहुँचे हैं FRRO ऑफिस से वापस आते हुए, you won't believe I got a phone call all of a sudden. एंड फ़ोन पे मुझे एक शख्स बोलते हैं, हेलो भैया, मैं आप कौन बोल रहे हैं? राहुल बोल रहे हैं. आपके सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स मुझे मिल गए हैं कहीं पे रोड पे पड़े हुए.
We were not remembering even that where are our documents, where we put them.
We were enjoying our memories here. I mean, I was introducing my college to Zahra, and all of a sudden I got a phone call that we lost all our documents. Her passport, my passport, my Aadhaar card, mom's Aadhaar card, and there were some birth certificate also original that you brought from Iran. A lot of documents and all. And then I was like, भैया आप कहाँ पर हो, आपको डॉक्यूमेंट कहाँ मिले? उन्होंने बोला FRRO ऑफिस के बाहर निकल के मुझे ये डॉक्यूमेंट्स मिले हैं और आप अपनी लोकेशन सेंड कीजिए, मैं आता हूँ. मैंने उनको बोला भैया प्लीज़ आप आइए, ये हमारे लिए डॉक्यूमेंट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, मैं आपकी सेवा पानी खर्चा पानी भी करूँगा. वो आए यहाँ पे 5 मिनट के अंदर पहुँचे. ही वॉज अ पोर्टर गाय, उनका नाम है शंकर चौधरी उनका नाम है. वो यहाँ पे आए, उन्होंने डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैंड ओवर किए. मैंने उनको रिवॉर्ड करने की कोशिश करी सूटेबली, but he did not accept the money. He didn't accept the money. So again, hats off to this guy. Thank God we found all our documents, especially my mother's Aadhaar card. And we came we came here with a different mood.
Yes, exactly.
With a different mood, old memories. This was my college. Let me show you my old college. After 20 years. But we came here and we got a phone call. We are like, wow, where are our documents?
Yes,
So thankfully we have got the documents, and now we are heading towards India Habitat Center.
That's good.
See you. I'd like to say thank you to this gentleman. A big salute to him. We lost all our documents, both the passports, Aadhaar card, my mom's Aadhaar card, my Aadhaar card in front of FRRO office. It was maybe on the top of our car, and we lost that. We got a phone. This gentleman bothered himself to find the number. He found everything, the document. He called me, and then he came all the way to give that document. Sir, what's your name? शंकर चौधरी जी को दिल से थैंक बोलूँगा. और ऑडियंस जितने लोग भी हैं सब एक बार बोलिए, आप बताइए क्या इंसानियत इस दुनिया में अभी है या नहीं है? मैंने इनका नाम ही सेव किया अपने फ़ोन में कि पोर्टर सर विद हेल्प के नाम से सेव किया है. इस इंसानियत को कायम रखने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर. there is this film festival going on with the name Focus, and the country is Italy. So they will be showcasing movies, Italian movies, the best of youth, part 3. Select at India Habitat Center which event do we want to go. First we eat, I think. Let's eat first. And they have a good cafeteria with the name Habiteria. Let's go eat there. They had Korean cuisine, Japanese cuisine, all sort of cuisines. And after that, maybe 2 o'clock will be too early. We relax, and then at 4 we go to, that movie. There was one movie also. After that, we can go to that exhibition of various artists from India. They are performing, and that's how it is. India Habitat Center is all about the cultural showcasing of India and internationally. Art, theatre, movie, that's what at least I know. And that's the Habiteria time. 12 noon, 11 p.m. I think it's a big thing. Till 11 p.m. they are open.
Because of the things.
Exactly. So Zara, how was your eating experience here at Habiteria?
It was good and delicious, tasty.
Would you like to recommend this restaurant in Delhi for our viewers?
Yes, for sure. Even for groups who want to go come where, how we can say that? A good
Hang out.
place, hang out. It's a good place. Come.
International Film Festival is going on here. We are going for the Australian movie The Wind Catcher, and by mistake we entered some other auditorium. We need to find ये एक और यहाँ पे, so we found that.
That we have no idea what is it. We just
Yes,
want to watch it.
let's go.
Go quick! So the movie that we watched was good. We introduced it to the children.
Yes.
Yes, it was good. And here, the Indian habitant. Why people are not coming here? It has so much things to do here.
Are you scolding your audience, Indian audience?
Yes, somehow. Why you guys are not coming here? Bolo?
Maybe they come.
Come.
Bolo.
You need to come here and enjoy. It has theater, it has movies, I don't know, music, cafeteria for eating. It has so many things.
Overall, it has a good vibe.
Yes.
Theater, art, cinema. So luckily exhibitions. Luckily we found we could be the part of 6th Habitat Film Festival,
Yes.
and we saw that Australian movie Wind Catcher, and we enjoyed. But there are other theater, auditoriums also, art galleries also.
Because it's a big, it's a big area, so it can take a day for you to come here and enjoy it.
Yes. Tire is flat, and this is my first time that I am going to do this, change the extra tire, that, what do we call that, Stephanie? I have not done that in my life ever. This is the first time. She gave me the confidence, Zara gave me the confidence, let's do it together. So I'm just trying. I don't know what will happen, then maybe I need to call somebody to come and do it for me. I'm just trying.
See what is happening here. It's gone.
Can you please also play some YouTube videos like how to do it? Because I have not done it. I know I can, but I have not done it. That's why.
Okay. Yes, I will do.
We didn't even know which side the screw will open. Then I thought that maybe this side we always do this, so if this side we tighten, this side we loosen. It's working. The stone technique is working. Daphne tire that we have fixed, you know, successfully, it has less air because it hasn't been used for a long time. Even this looks like a flat tire. Can you see? So we have changed it. But I don't know. Let's see till where we can go, and then maybe we need to take help.
خسته نباشی.
Since morning it's happening today that there is one problem, and then somebody come as a rescuer or somebody come as a help from, you know, God's angel or something like that. So we changed the, you know, flat tire, but the stepney which I you know, changed, even that has no air pressure in it. It was almost flat. So the guy was talking on the phone, Nitesh bhai was here, and he said that why you didn't ask me for help. He himself came to me and he brought that you know, how should I say, that device which could inflate, you know, electronic device which could inflate the tire. Now it has got 32 air pressure. There is a petrol pump next. I am going to get it checked and then we are leaving.
Wow.
So humanity first. We are facing problem, but
Yes,
people are
yes,
coming.
Yes. Thank
Right?
God.
So thank God,
yes.
and
It's because of your also things that you have done in the past, humanity, yes.
Thank
As
you so
I know
much.
you.
Thank you so
They are
much.
the karmas that you are answering them.
That's so sweet of yours, Izam. Thanks, babe. Let's go. Let's reach home.
Let's go.